Hey everyone, in our last video we'll talk about how to build an MVP SaaS product. Now we will learn why an MVP is essential and how to team up with a partner who will make your project epic. I'm Luis Lugo and we will dive into this together. Let's go. Why is an MVP so important? Long story short, because it allows you to test your concept with minimal risk and maximum feedback. Imagine launching your product with just the core features, getting real user feedback, and then refining it into something extraordinary. Sounds great, right? Wait a sec. If you want more excited like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. So, why should you build an MVP? First, it's all about development flexibility. Starting leans allows you to iterate and adapt based on user feedback and market demands, which is crucial in today's fast-paced tech world. So, to help your user feedback in your favor, agile methodologies such as Scrum will help you adapt quickly to change and align your project with your vision and goals. Want to see how others have successfully brought their visions to life? Check the description box to discover the stories and results. Second, it minimizes upfront cost. You can test your idea without heavy financial investments, reducing risk and enabling you to focus on what truly matters, your users. All while a team collaborative experts in building successful MVP follows the best practices to get you to your market faster, gaining a competitive edge and starting revenue streams early. But hey, that's not all. To build an MVP means ensuring scalability and accessibility. With end-to-end support, you can make sure your product scales smoothly and remains accessible to a broader audience as it grows by constantly implementing core features. Now, you might be asking, why should I consider when planning to build an MVP? Well, to make it simple, the PMI highlights 3 characteristics that each project must define to succeed. First, scope. A project with a well-defined scope helps your technical team understand your expectations for the project. It'll also establish the stakeholders' objectives, deliverables, and definition of success. With this in mind, your team will have enough information to consider and advise you, if required, about the necessary resources and possible risks you might need help with. Second, cost. Having a clear budget helps you minimize the investment risk. It also allows you to define the resources you will need. Example, cloud resources, API, domains, SL certificates, and the talent to make your dream a reality. Example, software developers, SIPs admins, project managers, and testers. Lastly, schedule. Once we know the scope we want and the cost or budget we are willing to invest, we can talk about the schedule. When the MVP phases starts and finish, the order of the deliverables, the critical path and dependencies, and most important, when you can start testing your idea with real users. Okay, we have covered the importance of an MVP and the pillars of planning, but there is still an important topic to cover. Now that we have seen how powerful an MVP can be, who do we work with to achieve it? How do we know our investment in a team is worth it? Well, here are the 9 key factors that ensure we have picked the right partner. But first, if you are finding this video useful, leave it a comment below with your questions about how and why build an MVP. Now, let's get into it. Deliver time. Time is money, and as we mentioned before, working on schedule will help you take care of your wallet too. Even when unplanned events occur, your team must be committed to adapting and reaching the goals you have set. Technical expertise. Based on the technical challenge, your team must provide you with the talent you need, balancing cost effectiveness and schedule. One key thing to look for is the qualification of the engineers. For example, most of our team members are AWS certified, so you can trust they have the skills needed for their job. Communication. Consider how your team will manage communication and project updates. For example, a team that uses Scrum will provide daily updates and You will invite to regular meetings like demos and retrospectives to stay informed on your project progress. Plus, you will have a project manager like me who is always here to help you if you need anything. Added value. A team that only receives and delivers tasks is good, but a team that receives tasks, comments, asks, propose, and deliver is better. A great partner should aim to exceed client expectations with quality solutions, creating a possible environment for both clients and employees. Emergency response. We hope this never happens, but if it does, you will want to hire a team willing to jump right in to save the day. Cultural affinity. The right partner will be part of your team. You won't feel like they are a random people, but rather your team. Additionally, working in the same time zone and sharing values makes a huge difference. Quality. How the work is delivered matters. We believe in doing things right at the first time because early partners in coding leads to a lot of rework in the future, which affects your wallet too. Availability. Lean and agile support at the right time. Your partner must be able and prepared for what you need. Proactivity. Your team must ask questions and care about the work because they take ownership seriously and therefore they also care about your success. As we see it, your goals are ours. Are you still not sure about choosing a partner to build an MVP? Take a look at our Clutch review in the description for this video. So, to wrap up, remember, an MVP helps you test and refine your idea with minimal risk, reduce upfront costs, and ensures your product is scalable and accessible. And choosing the perfect partner with the right traits can make all the difference in turning your vision into a success. I hope this was helpful, and if you have any more questions about starting your MVP, don't hesitate to reach out. We are here to help. If you like the content, please give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights on MVP development and SaaS. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video and happy coding!